Las Palmeras, affiliated by Fergus, is a well-located resort in the heart of Fuengirola, just steps away from the marina and golden sandy beaches. Ideal for families and couples, this hotel offers stunning sea views, a large outdoor pool, and a variety of on-site dining options. Rooms are spacious and clean, with balconies that overlook either the sea or the bustling city streets. The resort provides a great selection of amenities, including a buffet restaurant, bars, and entertainment programs. While some areas of the hotel could benefit from modern updates, the central location makes it a fantastic base for exploring Costa del Sol. Perfect for travelers looking for an affordable stay with easy access to the beach, restaurants, and nightlife.